Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl saying to your best, Ibinoser, aka cwhitemakeover.com. Alright, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome here. Please do not forget to subscribe, join the family, give us a thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I make a post. All right, so first of all, as we all know, I always love to begin with my eyebrow first. I love to set those eyebrows before I do any makeup. So now I succeeded in drawing the eyebrows and I am concealing. So, and now this is the finished product of the eyebrow. So what I'm actually doing today is using colors to match with the top or the dress rather that I'm wearing, and I'm using my palettes, my Morphe palette and my Karity palette. So in my Morphe palette, I'm going to be using those beautiful colors down there, the pink, the green, the yellow, the blue, and you know, to give us this beautiful look, like I said, to match my dress. And also my Karity palette, I'm also going to be needing that blue, the other lighter shade of the green, and yeah, that's it. So now I'm transitioning with my green eyeshadow, and what I'm doing is ensuring that I layer them properly to avoid those lines showing. So you try to blend in so that the lines are not just too straight. Okay, so I just keep topping those colors round and round, you know, even though seriously guys, I'm not too sure what I was doing. Yeah, I wasn't too sure. I just kept drawing and painting. So on my inner crease area, that's my Pillars base in base IC and my acid rain. That's what I'm using right now, the lilac or the purple, which is a Pillars acid rain. So I'm going to be giving the details of the products in my box right below. And so now I'm trying to line the eyes with my Mary Kay gel liner. Seriously, this look, at a point I felt like cleaning this whole thing off because it wasn't, I don't know, I'm not feeling the look at all. But because I'm the type that wouldn't give up, I just kept moving and just doing anything that comes into mind. So now I just put those little dots to add sparkles to make it look more like a butterfly, because that's actually the initial thoughts. Though my butterfly wings are very funny looking. All right, so now those lines, the essence of those black lines are just to add definition, to make those shape in there come out better, you know, to differentiate those lines and the colors. So the heart shape at the middle there, all right, now I am priming my face with my Maybelline primer to cover those pores on my face and to make those foundation come out better. Yes, that's the essence. And now I'm up to my foundation. My Maybelline foundation is Bay Anytime. I love Maybelline because they're on the go anywhere. You can always find them anywhere, in any stores, in the beauty supplies. They're always very available. So now I am actually using my mascara to set up my eyelash before my eyelash is fixed. So now I just fixed my eyelashes. What I'm doing here is shading my face with a darker powder. That's what I used. I didn't use any foundation or concealer. I used my powder, and now I'm highlighting my face with, I'm adding a glow on my face using my Juvia highlighter. And now my lips, lining my lips using my Morphe lip liner. I'm going to put the details of the product, okay guys, do not worry. And this color, no, I wasn't satisfied with it. My lips was looking too looking like a tilapia fish, so I decided to calm it down using my MAC lip color. So that was why I topped that now with my MAC lip color. Yeah, it's coming out much better. And voila, I love this lips. This is one of the things I really love about the look. And the finished product, here it goes. Ta-da! Yeah, this is what I ended up achieving now. The most important thing is that I'm glad the colors really do fit with my dress. It's really everything on my dress. I made sure I put those colors on my eye. So that's why I basically selected these colors. And I hope you like it, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that notification button. Do not forget to hit that bell. Just click on that bell so that each time I'm making a post or I put a post on, you'll be notified. Okay? And do not forget also to share the link. Oh man, I love the glow in the dark. I kind of prefer the glow in the dark because it brings out the beauty than when it's the lights are on. All right, so guys, thank you once again for watching and for sticking to your girl's channel. So I'll see you guys in my next post. God bless you all, and bye for now.